Okay, first thing we need to do here is find dy by dx. And in order to find dy by dx, the problem is this second expression here. What we've got to remember is that 1 over x is the same as x to the power minus 1. So if we've got 16 over x, we can think of it as 16 times 1 over x, in other words, 16x to the minus 1. Okay, so in this case, y is equal to x squared plus 16x to the minus 1. Right, let's now differentiate that. So dy by dx is going to equal, okay, that's easy, 2x. Now remember, we multiply the 16 by the minus 1, that gives us minus 16, and then the power of x reduces by 1 to minus 2. And it's a good idea here to rewrite that expression back in this form where we don't have a minus power. Remember, x to the power minus 2 means 1 over x squared, so we can think of this as minus 16 times 1 over x squared. In other words, it's the same as 2x minus 16 over x squared, and that might make our life a little bit easier. Okay, what we've got to do now is find the turning point. And remember, at a turning point is a point on the graph where the gradient, and remember the gradient is just dy by dx, where dy by dx is equal to 0. In this case, we know that dy by dx is 2x minus 16 over x squared. So 2x minus 16 over x squared is equal to 0. First thing I'm going to do here is multiply by x squared. Okay, and I'm going to multiply everything by x squared, including the 2x. So 2x multiplied by x squared, well, that's just 2x cubed. 16 over x squared multiplied by x squared is just going to give me 16, and that's equal to 0. Now, easy enough, I suppose, at this stage we could, well, I'm going to put 16 to the right, so 2x cubed is equal to 16. Okay, so just adding 16 to both sides there. I can now divide both sides by 2, so I've got x cubed is equal to 8, and if x cubed is equal to 8, then x is equal to 2. So the x coordinate of the turning point is going to be 2. Okay. We now need to find the y coordinate of the turning point, so we know that y is equal to x squared plus 16 over x. So in this case, y is equal to x squared, well, that's 2 squared plus 16 over 2. So it's 4 plus 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay, and 4 plus 8 then is equal to 12. So our x coordinate is 2, our y coordinate is 12, which means that the coordinates of the turning point are just 2, 12.